Unusual case presentation. Hi, myself Dr. Sanjay Tota, senior resident of ENT. This was the case I represent in the seminar in our college. Unusual case presentation in ENT department. 47-year-old Hindu male patient coming from lower socio-economical class residing at Dwarka district come to our hospital with chief complaint of chest discomfort and heaviness for the last 2 months duration and coughing at night for last 5 days. The patient having no history of difficulty in breathing, difficulty in swallowing, blood in sputum, weight loss or fever. Patient visited multiple private doctors for above complaint, not clinically improved. Finally, patient referred to in our department for throat examination as patient having cough at night. On examination, the respiratory rate was 14 per minute, oxygen saturation 98 percentage at room air, no respiratory distress or stridor. Bilateral air entry was equal and clear. Telescopy, bilateral vocal cord normal and mobile, ECG within normal limit. X-ray neck with chest was normal. This was the X-ray of the patient, so no changes, no hyperinflammation of lungs. As all examination were normal, we take further detailed history. On detailed history, patient revealed that he has a history of missing one denture teeth 2 months back, which he doesn't remember that it was aspirated or ingested or misplaced in sleeping. So CT scan neck with chest was advised to rule out this missing denture. Uh, CT scan report was suggestive, well-defined hyperdense content of size 1.5 into 11 mm in right main bronchus. You can see the foreign body in the CT scan. This was the CT scan of the patient. So after finding the foreign body in bronchus, we posted this patient for rigid bronchoscopy. All investigation for rigid bronchoscopy is done and was normal. Uh, this was the foreign body found and removed. Rigid bronchoscope negotiated up to 35 centimeter up to into right main bronchus. Symptoms like chest discomfort or coughing were relieved after the rigid bronchoscopy and foreign body removed. So why this case was unusual in our hospital, as incidence of foreign body in bronchus is more common in children. Up to 80.5 percentage children are affected, which is less than 3-year old. So rarely present in adult. In our OPD, we doesn't consider the foreign body bronchus in adult patient. Most common foreign body found in right side of the bronchus is the right side bronchus is wider, shorter or more aligned with the trachea. Uh, Normally, foreign body in the bronchus causes three type of pathophysiology in lungs, like complete obstruction, partial obstruction. Uh, it leads to X-ray changes like hyperinflammation of lungs, auscultation changes like expiratory wheeze and decreased air entry in affected bronchus. Uh, you can see the pathophysiology, the foreign body cause like complete obstruction, partial obstruction, bypass valve or one-way valve, which causes hyperinflammation of lung. In a one-way valve, the air trapped into lungs and it leads to hyperinflammation of that lung. In our case, no changes present in X-ray or auscultation due to the shape of foreign body. You can see the 3D reconstruction of CT scan, which shows the foreign body uh, present in the right main bronchus. A foreign body stuck like this in the bronchus, which doesn't create a complete obstruction or partial obstruction, or air freely go in or out. As our X-ray was normal in foreign body, because the earlier the foreign body denture, which was made by the polymethyl acrylate, the plastic from which most of the denture are made, is radiolucent. So therefore the plain X-ray was normal. So for me, the detailed history of the patient is must be uh, uh, think about it, which takes few more minutes.